I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your USD address in Coinbase. We'll start by understanding why this address is crucial for receiving Tether. Then, I'll guide you through the simple steps to find it within your Coinbase account. It's important to select the right network, so pay close attention to that detail. This process ensures your funds arrive safely and correctly. First, log into your Coinbase account using your credentials. Once inside, look for the Send/Receive or Trade option, usually found on the main dashboard or navigation bar. Click on Receive because you're looking for an address to get funds. From the list of available cryptocurrencies, select Tether or USD to proceed. After selecting USD, Coinbase will display your unique receiving address. It's vital to note the network associated with this address, like ERC20 for Ethereum or TRC20 for Tron. Make sure this matches the sender's network. Carefully copy the entire alphanumeric string. Always double-check the address to prevent any errors before sharing it with someone. Remember, selecting the correct network is paramount. Sending USD on the wrong network can result in permanent loss of funds. If you're sending a large amount, consider a small test transaction first. Never, ever share your private keys or recovery phrase with anyone. Always be vigilant against phishing attempts and only use the official Coinbase website or app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.